Chevra, we're standing out here again with my good friend Menachem Mashinsky at Monmouth Views. Wow!
Chaim, welcome back to Monmouth Views in Howell, New Jersey, just a few minutes out of the center of Lakewood. Good to have you back. I wanted to tell you, Chaim, the power of your status is incredible. Since you put out the status about, 10 months?
About 10 months.
10 months. Baruch Hashem, so many families have reached out, came down, and already made this place their home.
Wow.
Baruch Hashem, you won't believe it. The amount of people that live here today, over 100 Heimish and Mishpuchas already have moved into the neighborhood.
Over 100 Heimish and Mishpuchas. I see the trampoline over here. It's amazing to see. We were here 10 months ago, it was empty, nobody here. What happened over 10 months?
But before we go into all the details, and we're going to go through to see what's going on in the new houses that are being built and what's available, I wanted to give all your followers, a personal invitation. This Sunday, November 30th, we're going to be hosting a big, beautiful open house and a meet and greet, so you can get to see who's living here, the crowd, the Oilim, Heimishoim, Litvishtem, Chasidishem, get to meet the Oilim. There'll be a beautiful lunch, fleischige lunch, Sunday, December 30th, 2:30 to 5:30. I hope to see you there.
Wow, okay.
Looking forward.
Chevra, let's dive into Monmouth Views.
Chaim, so let's start with the first house. This is the Sonatina, which is the most popular model because you're talking about 2,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms for the low 600s. Wow. Check out this backyard over here and check out the beautiful pond, Chaim.
It's a chulim, it's a dream. That's your backyard.
You have ducks over there also, zoom into that, take a look.
I like that you have a gate with a metal legit
have a chain link fence, 100% chain link fence around the whole thing.
Safe for the kids over here.
A beautiful walking path. Take a look around, Chaim, zoom into all those houses around there. Look at the different houses. So I'm going to put up an awning ready for the sikkah. Kikun.
Wow, this is a dream, this is a dream. This is a dream.
Let's take a look
me into the, how do you pronounce it?
This one is the Sonatina.
Sonatina. How many square feet?
This is 2,300 square feet. Again, of course, that's besides the 2-car garage, which is not counted. Also, this porch is separate. They give you, included in the price, a porch. This is a Trex deck, splinter-free porch. Let's take a look inside.
Wow, nice. So, eine Wunsch du.
Eine Wunsch, der heimische Mishpucha, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Kikun. Chaim, I want to point out to you, because this was a big thing, to get the 2 sinks to see for all the mishpuchas that come with the Heimish mishpuchas. You have one sink here, another sink here,
sink there.
And then we have also 2 ovens. Check this out. One oven here, and a second milchiks and fleischig. You're covered.
Wow, you're covered with that, 2 ovens.
Look at this brighter space over here. Okay, over here you have the 2 pantries. I'm not going to open the doors over here, but you can take a look. We have 2 nice. One is a walk-in pantry. Chaim, just to look out the window over here, you see, right over here is coming up another building.
Another development.
Kala koidem zucha. You can still jump right in here. So let's take a look over here at the upstairs, the bedrooms. This is, you can see over here, Chaim, Baruch you fit in all the furniture, 2 beds. Okay, let me just show you quickly the laundry room. I don't want to open too much, but you can see over here, take a peek in. You have the washer and dryer, cabinetry up there, and then over here you have the family bathroom, double sink, bathtub, and here is another bedroom. Oh, it's not
sunlight.
Oh,
wow.
Double closets over here. And then you have another bedroom right over here. I'm not going to open all the doors, but you get the idea.
I get the idea.
Bedrooms over here, nice sized bedrooms, fitting comfortably 2 beds with all your furniture.
How many bathrooms in this house?
Total of 3.5 bathrooms.
What is the price?
So you can get this house today for $619.
$619.
That's what it is. And by the way, if there's some people that are a little bit, more conscious about their finances, you can get the very same model. We didn't talk about it much, I don't think. Just a little bit smaller for under $600,000.
Wow.
Okay, let me just show you the first floor, the walk-in floor over here. You have a beautiful guest room. Take a look, Chaim. This is the 4th bedroom. And come here, I want to show you. There's a bathroom right off the bedroom. Full bathroom for the guest. And it has a second door. It's called the Jack and Jill. So you can use this for the guest, and you can use it also just walking to the house, first floor. Once you're here, let's take a quick look at the 2-car garage. Oh, they have the sikkah boards over here with the schach.
Wow, they're ready for sikkahs. Wow.
Did you notice the backyard over here, Chaim, guys?
No. Oh, this is the pond that we saw upstairs.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh. Get back. The groes doet, schmeckt it. The pond, take a walk over here. Katschkelig do. Menachem. This is amazing. So this is a Sonatina. Jetzt wie der hose mit the 4 stockers mir gewesen für dir.
Oh, so turn around, Chaim, for a minute. Let me just show you standing over here, ready? You have over here, you see those over there.
Those are the 4s.
Those are 4 floors, and that's the rooftop porch over there.
Porch. I want to see that house as well.
Let's go take a look.
Let's go to that house.
Okay, Chaim, let's take a look at the interior of the McPherson. Let me show you around. Okay, let's walk into the main floor of the house. You can see very open, lechtig. Look at the windows, Chaim, if you notice. These are not the typical size windows. These are taller windows. So it brings in a tremendous amount of light. And today is not the sunniest day.
No, today is middle of the winter.
And Baruch Hashem, so take a look over here. Open space. This is a beautiful kitchen. If you notice, we got them to do 2 ovens for all the Yidden. We have a double oven. Once we're here, let me show you the porch. This is the first porch we spoke about. We can make a beautiful sukkah right near the kitchen.
Nice, big shmaka, big porch. Overlooking the nice grass over here.
Track stack porches over here, splinter free.
Very good schmack.
3rd floor, 3 beautiful sized bedrooms. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. Again, lots of windows, nice big windows, very nice size master suite. Take a look at the bathroom, double sinks, separate shower and closed-in bathroom over there.
Wow. Gee, it's big, harchova.
Take a look at this walk-in closet, Chaim. Take a walk inside.
It's a bedroom in Williamsburg. Wow, enough clothing for...
Over here you have the 2nd bathroom on this floor, the family bathroom.
How many bathrooms in total are here?
There's a total of 4 full bathrooms and 1 half bath. So you have 5 bathrooms in the house.
5 bathrooms in this
Every
house.
floor has at least 1 bathroom, and then this floor that we're on right now, 2 bathrooms. Right behind you, Chaim, don't forget that's the small laundry room, separate laundry room. Nice. Bedroom number 2, right over here, and then bedroom number 3. Let's take a walk up to the 4th floor, where we're going to see another bedroom, and of course, like we spoke earlier, the rooftop porch. Amachaya.
Wow, I'm going to sit with a gemuri on the rooftop. A tux.
4th floor, full bathroom with a shower. Nice loft area over here. It could be a playroom, it could be another office, or whatever you want to use it for. And then here can be a guest room. Yeah.
Wow.
Let's take a walk out onto the porch, Chaim.
Get back here of the view, do. It's a next level view. Wow. I will make my sick over here.
Make your sick up on top.
It's nice, it's gross, it's bequem.
Talking about storage, Chaim, I have to take you downstairs. We didn't look at the 1st floor.
No, we missed the first floor.
You have over there a beautiful floor that could be another area for a guest, another bathroom there, and there's also a big 2-car garage. You can imagine how much you can fit in there. Let's take a look. Okay, going into the 1st floor over here, let me show you, Chaim, first the garage, because it's a huge space. In Ziden Weissmann, you take a garage and you're maximizing it. Take a walk inside over there.
Smethers do in the garage.
Yeah, so Sonatina, of course.
Nice, it's big, harchova.
A little bit more storage.
More storage. The Yidlich Weissmann, the car hat man nicht in the garage, that's for sure.
Okay, wow, and the 1st floor also has a full bathroom with a shower. Take a look inside.
Shower, the nice closet. Wow. I'm just amazed. Menachem, I'm just amazed that you keep on telling me that you get this over under $700,000. Under
$700,000, you have a 4-floor, 3,100 square foot house.
Five bathrooms.
5 bathrooms and up to 5 bedrooms. This room right over here that we're in right now, this person who bought this house decided they want to have it like a playroom open area. But if you want, one of the options are that you can upgrade this to a bedroom. They'll close it up with closet space. And then you have this door goes straight outside as well to the backyard. So you have another access outside.
Wow. Menachem, unreal what you showed me here today. We got my Perlowitz promotion.
Of course.
Even on houses. Let's go. What's the promotion today?
What's the promotion? So we are having now the open house November 30th. Okay, so anybody who calls, and by the way, Chaim, for all your viewers, if November 30th doesn't work out, Sunday is busy, the kinder, whatever it is,
we can always call you and make a
reach
private.
out to me and I'll make sure I'll have a private appointment. 347-452-7530.
Okay.
Okay, so for the promotion from now to the end of 2025, you have another 5 weeks or 4.5 weeks to go. Anybody who signs contract till December 31st is going to get a free upgrade in the house.